Stop waiting perfect time because there's no perfect time and perfect time never comes. Just start today. And yeah, if you are thinking I'm afraid to make mistakes because people they judge me my mistakes. If I made mistakes somewhere, if I make mistakes somewhere while speaking, people they judge me. Hi guys, are you thinking when I become a perfect then I will speak English confidently and effortlessly? So instead of thinking like this, when I become a fluent, then I will start speaking. So you should start speaking right now. Why I'm telling you right now? Right now, it is your perfect day and it's your first day. So your perfect day to start learning, start improving. So are you thinking like this? Today it's not a perfect day. I should start some day ago. So just forget all the things. You have to only just start today. Because of that, today it's your very wonderful and it's your perfect day to start thinking English and start speaking English. So are you thinking like this? I'm not a perfect. It's not a perfect time. No, this is your perfect time, but you have to analyze the perfect way. You have to embrace your skills today. So if you embrace your skills, then you will be become a perfect earlier. Why I'm thinking like this and why I'm telling like this? Today it's your perfect day. Why? Because of that many reasons behind that. And I also observed while learning English language, nothing it's a perfect, nothing it's perfect, and perfect day it will not come. It will not come. Truly, it's truly, to be honest, perfect day it will not come. So just start. And so just start right now, and right now you have to run for your goal. You have to run for your goal, then you will something do better. Because if you're thinking like this, I'm making mistakes, I'm not perfect, my English speaking it's not good, I'm not a fluent English speaker, so why I should start today? I should stop, I should give up, I should stop speaking like this day, and with making mistakes, so I should stop. So yeah, if you think, if you don't want to achieve fluency, then you can give up, then you can stop then you can stop this journey. But if you think like this, one day I will be speak better, one day I will become a fluent speaker, then why you feel hesitate? Why you feel like this? I'm not a confident, I don't have enough word, I don't have enough word. So instead of thinking like this, I don't have enough words, you should start thinking like this, I have enough word today for speaking. And tomorrow I will learn something new. Tomorrow I will learn something new, words, new vocabulary, new phrases. Then I will use them better. Then I will speak better than today. Have a perfect thinking, then you will become a perfect speaker in one day. So stop thinking like this. This is a perfect time to speak English, but you have to only maintain your mind and maintain your thinking level. Because of that, you are thinking too much. So too much thinking, it's not too good for your English speaking journey. Because English speaking journey, it's take a time to improvement. So why you thinking like this? I am not confident. Gradually all the things will happen, but it's take a time. So why you thinking like this? Don't feel shy while speaking, don't feel afraid while making mistakes. Because of many reasons behind it, many peoples learn same way. So why you thinking like this? It's like a stairs. Stairs means siri. So why you thinking like this? I can direct jump on the top. It's not possible, it won't be possible. So you have to just run small steps. Okay, you have to follow some steps, small steps, then you will do something better, then you will achieve one day success. Because success need a patience, success need a consistency. If you have a patience inside, and if you have a perfect mindset to improve your English, to achieve your fluency, then you will be achieved. Otherwise it won't be possible. So please stop overthinking. This is not a perfect time, it's your perfect time, but you have to just follow, you have to just do your work, you have to just read, write, and do everything whatever it's need for this journey, whatever it's need for becoming fluency. You have becoming fluent English speaker, you have to just follow all the things step by steps. Okay, so all the things I hope you can understand better, because yes, I don't want you feel stuck while speaking English just because you don't have enough vocabulary, you don't have enough confidence. Yeah, gradually it will happen, but someday, after passing some days, some month, it will happen. So just like go with consistency, improve your English speaking, maintain your uh, reading, writing, everything, whatever it's need for this, for speaking. But yeah, you have to just maintain consistency, just observe whatever happening in all around, just start observing, just start speaking with your mouth, not just inside your brain. Because of that, if you speaking like just in your inside brain, so it will not come to your mouth, it will not come to improve for speaking this. Okay, so you have to use your mouth properly and properly, and many times you should speak some words, some sentences many times, just for improving, just for pronunciation, just for becoming a fluent, just for using naturally. Okay, so just you have to like, so just you have to do like this way. And I hope you are doing best, I hope you are learning every day, so please don't break your consistency, just do gradually. Okay, and another thing is, I want to honestly, I want to tell you, because of that many reasons, it's my personal opinion, it's my personal observation which I observed while learning English language. Environment, it's so important. Any speaker, any learners, any student, if you have a perfect environment, whatever you want, if you have a perfect environment, then you can speak better early. Okay, and in my situation, I'm not so fluent, I'm not so good just for speaking. Because of that many reasons, I don't consistent so much. But I don't want to you break your consistency, I want you become a successful person, you be succeed. So that's why please don't break your consistency and start try to make a perfect environment, English speaking environment. Whatever you have a partner or not, just make your own just make your own environment, like a like a while reading, while speaking, while practicing, while thinking, and while uh, explaining some new things and learning vocabulary. If you do this work, all the things honestly, then you can improve gradually. Okay, so please start thinking like this, please start thinking it's my perfect day and I will be speak better, I become a perfect English speaker. Okay, honestly, I feel by myself I am so glad to speak English language, and I also want to speak better and better like a fluent. And one thing I observed, if you say with yourself, I am the wind, I can speak English, then one day it's definitely will happen. Okay, so be positive, it's all depend in your mind thinking, it's all depend your whatever do you do, and whatever you do in your life, whatever you do in your whole day, it's all depend just your thinking and your doing and your practicing. I hope you understand everything very well, so we'll meet till the next video. Have a nice day, till then, take care.